Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of desktop icon missings in Windows 11. So we will fix it today. So as you can see, my desktop's icons are showing on desktop. So if it is not showing on your laptop, so kindly follow these steps. So firstly, you have to just right click on it and then go to the view, and in view section you should have to just check this option like show desktop icon. It should be turned on. If it is turned off in your system, so kindly click on turn on. As you can see, if I just uncheck this option, as you can see, all the icons have been gone away. So again, I have to just click on show desktop icon, so my all the icons have been appeared. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just go to the second step, which is basically you have to just go to the settings. So in settings, you have to just go to the personalization. As you can see, here it is. And in personalization, you have to just following the step, the themes. And in themes, you have to just go to the desktop icon settings, and when you click on it, desktop icon settings, so here is the dialog box will appear, and you have to just select all these icons that you want to show in your desktop. As you can see, my computer recycle bin, only recycle bin has been selected here. So if I want this PC also shown in my desktop, so I have to just click on my computer, then users files, then networks. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed, and all the icons will be appear on your desktop screen. So if you like my video, so kindly share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.